All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the Accord. This was the $500 turbo budget car that we didn't end up finishing it in time for the challenge, so we just kind of parked it for a while. But we got Peyton over here. He was he was all excited about helping me finish it, so might let him drive around a little bit here in the future. He is tightening down the wastegate for me right now, and then we're gonna get this battery jump started and maybe let it run for a minute to charge the battery up. And what do we need after that? Oh, we need to make the up pipe for the turbo. So I think I got a flange around here somewhere, and then maybe try cutting a hole in the hood. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it though.
Yeah. So Peyton's got high hopes. He thinks this thing's gonna make a lot of power.
Oh yeah, but I'm saying about. I'm guessing. Are you doing stock injectors?
Yeah.
Stock fuel pump. 160.
160.
I'm guessing 160.
That'd be healthy on this little setup.
What do you think?
I was thinking like probably low 100s, maybe 130.
Oh, give it some love.
I don't know. Well, I think these are like 80 or 90 stock.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I'm gonna shoot for the stars and say 160.
Yeah, and I think we have a 6 psi spring in there. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, this is if you guys haven't seen it, go onto the channel and check it out. All the build progress and is videoed from buying this car to tearing it down and strapping the turbo kit on. And a lot of people were like, why do you have your turbo mounted like that? Because it's kind of in the way of everything. Yeah, but we didn't want to get rid of the AC, and it was with this manifold with the turbo flipped down, it was going to be like inside of the AC compressor. So yeah, and this car does have AC, as a matter of fact. Here, I'll take people around it real quick if you're not up to date on it. It's got some dents right here where people forgot their keys or were trying to break into it, one or the other. We got hubcaps, paint's kind of faded. The guy hit something back here, and then he cut the bumper.
What do you think about that bumper, though?
The bumper, it's got one of those cut bumpers. I mean, that means race car.
It's horse ponies.
Yeah, like, I don't know. That makes me...
Set them down forces.
Yeah, is that what it is? Got a little love top right here on this quarter panel. That door right there is minty, other than the paint peeling. They forgot their keys on this side of the car, obviously. Again, got a couple little, dings. Yeah, inside, dirty but mint. There needs to be a new word for that.
What, dirty but mint?
Yeah, like, what's a good word for dirty but mint? Like, it's not ripped, but it ain't clean,
It's just like...
It's there. It's there. There's a spider right there.
It's just there.
It's there. All right. So let me try to find. Can I start it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Ugh, I got a new starter coming in because this one was sticking. Hold on. My camera's not focusing. There we go. But let's see if it. Woo! Oh, that smells right. Alright guys, well, I'm kind of at a standstill. I thought I had a flange. I'm going to have to order a flange, but I'm getting ready to go look at a car right up the road, so yeah, might be snagging me a little car to do some flipping with. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, well, I'm taking a little break from today and messing with the Accord, but I'm running down the road not even 5 minutes from my parents' house, and there is a Mercedes E500 for sale, and the guy's got it listed pretty cheap because he says the back brakes are locked up. So I'm gonna go check that out. It might be a little steal, and I'm not afraid to do some brakes. I don't know anything about a Mercedes other than I googled it, and it says it's got a 5.0 V8 in it, and they're fairly reliable. This one's got 130,000 miles. Sounds like a little bit of a gamble, but good interior, good body. Let's go check it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what I was talking about earlier, here is the Mercedes E500. This does have the 5.0 V8. That's kind of why it caught my eye, but another big reason it caught my eye was the price. So I ended up picking this up for a little under $2,000, and it runs good. The interior is like in really good shape. The seats aren't like all cracked up or nothing. Both sides and in the back, all in pretty good shape. This is pretty much the extent of what's messed up in the interior, and over here on the door panel, or the door latch, the chrome's kind of wore off. It's got 134,000 miles, so mileage is a little high, but drives pretty good. It has the battery is bad, so went and picked up a cheap battery, a little Walmart battery, Start, and gonna pop that in there and then just get it started back up and let it run for a little bit. I think the water pump does need to be changed out, the one on the front of the motor, so hopefully that won't be too hard. But this, I don't know if this is going to be a quick flip, try to make some money on it, or keep it. Comment down below and let me know. It looks like everything is stock other than the wheels. It's got some aftermarket wheels. I'm definitely not in love with them, but I guess they hold air, so that's good. And then there's a puppy. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this battery in and see what we're working with. And we still have the Lancer. All right, old battery out, new battery in. It's not the exact battery that it calls for, but it should work, and it's new. That old battery is huge. 1,000 cranking amps, 900 cold cranking. The one I put in there, I think, is only like a 700, but it should do the trick, at least for right now. Let's see here. There it is. Yeah, it keeps yelling about the ABS. Visit the workshop. Got to take it to the workshop. ABS lights on. Starts up good. The gas, I put some gas in it, so that's actually reading. Coolant seems to be reading on the little gauge. Apparently that's a common problem on these, but yeah, so got a Mercedes, and like almost most of the stuff works, which is a miracle apparently. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it right now. I'll show y'all guys that water pump. It's jiggling a little bit. It needs to be replaced for sure, in my opinion. I don't know if you can't see it, but that pulley right there, the camera, it doesn't show up really well, but that pulley has got a little bit of wobble in it, especially when it's off. I can actually, jiggle it a little bit, and yeah, doesn't look like it's actively leaking, but I just know that's only a matter of time with the bearing being like that. Yeah, other than that, she sounds pretty good. He showed me where it's just got the oil change like 300 miles ago before he put it up for sale. So yeah, wham bam, thank you ma'am. All right, let's get back to the Accord. Are we live?
We are live.
Okay, can you see me? Am I in the frame?
Yeah, you're a little dark. Hold on, oh, there we go.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so obviously we are in the 2003 E500. I did pick it up, like I was talking about, and it's got a couple quirks. It thinks it's running out of fuel. Low fuel light's blinking, but I put 20 bucks of gas in, and the fuel indicator is reading like quarter of a tank, so I don't know what that's about. Water pump, the pulley's a little jiggly. The brakes were sticking, but we've been driving it and knocking the rust off of it because it's been sitting for a while, and they don't seem to be sticking anymore. It runs good. It's got a backup camera.
It does have a backup camera.
So,
I was shocked.
Yeah, the radio wasn't working, but we got that working now. It seems to run and drive pretty good. It's not overheating. It's got fuzzy dice.
That's 50 horsepower.
Check fuel cap.
What side's it on?
I think it's on that side. Is that why it was blinking? Maybe.
Hold on. Doesn't look. What's it looking like? Is it loose?
No, it was on there. Maybe there's a fuel leak.
Oh, is there a fuel leak, you think?
Nah, I don't think so.
What you know about that?
Leak? It's a very slow one.
What you know about that wood grain trim, though?
Alright, we'll go drive down here. Maybe like, is there an area we can spin a donut? Nah.
Yeah, there's always an area we can spin a donut.
You think it will? Check fuel cap. It just started doing that. What in the world?
This is why you don't buy a Mercedes. It's a way above our IQ level.
Pretty much.
So
yeah.
we should just stick to Hondas, Brandon.
We still got our Hondas, dog.
Yeah.
We're Peyton said he's gonna help me finish the Accord. It's a star.
Yeah, I'm gonna help him finish the Accord.
Yeah. What do we gotta get? A flange.
Bigger injectors.
Yeah. You think we could whip one right here?
Heck yeah, we
Turn
can.
the stability truck
I'm
off.
gonna be honest. I have no idea. If I'm guessing ESP.
Yeah,
It means ESP malfunction. Visit workshop.
We don't want it. Just turn it off. Let's just see it. Let's just see if it wants to break them loose. I'm sure you won't make a mess down here. I don't want to get in trouble.
Just do it.
Let's just.
Oh yeah. Okay. This long one pretty good. I was impressed.
Yeah.
I was impressed.
I need to get away from there. That wasn't me.
You know what? At first I had doubts. And now I will agree with you. I think this was a good buy.
I mean, apparently it's about to run out of gas.
I mean, you know what? And aside for whatever is that the e-brake on? And now the fuel. I mean, you know what? It's a Mercedes.
It is a Mercedes.
They brake.
Yeah.
Well, it's got a sunroof though.
Yeah, it's got the ABS light on. And I don't know why, because I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe we'll hook up the scanner and see if like maybe an ABS sensor's out or something.
Yeah, but no, you know what? I might even buy one. I give you $500 for it right now.
Yeah?
$500.
You think so?
Well, guys, the 4G autos are scratched.
Oh goodness. I needed to wash the car anyway.
Brandon, what are you doing? Huh?
You told me. He's a bad influence,
What
guys.
brand are these?
E.
I
don't know.
know about them U's with the dots. I wonder if they got like a little label or something. I'd hate to scratch your rims.
Don't scratch him. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll clean it up. Didn't he say this thing had window tint? There's not a lick of window
On
tint
the
on
back
here.
there is.
Not in the front there.
Front. I mean, it's like it's like that fake Mercedes turn point.
Yeah.
Is the hood top?
Huh? Yeah, I didn't fully close it.
Oh snap! It ain't got a Benz emblem.
It's in the back. I gotta like glue it back on.
You
or
can't
something.
drive this on the road and it has the emblem on the front.
For real?
No, you can't. It's not a Benz unless it's got the emblem. I just don't know how I feel about just like Mercedes.
Yeah, Mercedes nuts.
I just feel so white girl.
I mean, is this a girl's car?
Girl had a 5-liter V8. This is 5-liter, right?
Yeah, 5.0. This could be. This is a Mercedes Mustang.
Mercedes Mustang with plastic everywhere.
Yeah.
I hope that never breaks.
Why?
I don't want to touch this thing.
She's warm.
There we go. It's actually really warm.
Yeah, she's warm.
Oh, I smell the.
Yeah, valve cover. Valve cover seen better days over here.
Yeah.
This valve cover gasket right there.
I'll tell you what to do.
What?
JB welding the outside of the thing.
No, goodness.
Won't ever leak again. Ain't that right, guys?
No, it's not right.
It's got a spider on it.
Yeah, I need to clean it up. We'll clean it up when I get back over here.
Just do like I say a good wax and I say it look good. The interior's the worst.
All right, so we'll be back to work on the Accord tomorrow.
Yep, tomorrow.
Well, I gotta order the flange. I don't know if I can prime it in one day. We'll find out. Guess I'll just have to go jump back in the Lancer. All right, guys. So we'll see you on the next one.
Y'all take it easy.
This video like started out like laser focused and then went all over the place.
That's usually what happens.
Yeah.
I'll give you $2,000 for this.
Maybe next time.
Okay.